Dimmer switches. If you've got a standard dimmer switch on the wall, whether it's a brass one, a chrome one, or a different style, we don't have to take and remove the dimmer switches. Or if it's a multiple dimmer switch with dimmer switch, dimmer switch, dimmer, you can have up to 4 or more. We can swap this dimmer switch using your existing faceplate, and we replace it with a new dimmer switch to go in the back. There it is. Let's have a look. There's the old dimmer switch, and this is the new dimmer switch. So quite simply, as long as you've got the wires sorted, remove the knob, undo that nut, pop this out, replace this back in using probably the new nut, and once it's back in, as long as you've got the shape right, bring that up close to the camera, you can see it's a little like a D. So the flat side goes on the dimmer module, in, and your dimmer switch is in place. You've got to make sure the corresponding wires, if it's L1, L2 or common, follow the same style as the original one, because quite often putting into a new dimmer switch, they're the other way round. Thank you for watching. I trust that the video has been of help and of interest to you. Don't forget to like and also subscribe to our YouTube video channel and hit that little notification bell so you get told when we release future videos.